So there are three components of good definitions, and the definition needs to have all three of these to be considered a good one. So one, it has to be use clearly understood terms, so commonly understood or already defined. So it's not nothing new to people or anything like that. It needs to be precise, so you have to avoid words like large, sort of, and almost. It should be, very clearly defined as to what, the amount you're talking about. And then it has to be reversible, so it has to be written as a true biconditional. So remember, biconditional, you should be thinking if and only if. That means that the conditional and converse are both true. So working with definitions, so this is an example where we want to see if this definition is reversible. If so, we're going to write it as a biconditional and see if it works. So an equilateral triangle is a triangle with three congruent sides. So I'm going to start off by kind of splitting it into two different pieces. So my first piece that I'm going to choose is an equilateral triangle. And then my second part is going to be a triangle with three congruent sides. So this is going to be my first one here. So if a triangle, so you can write this a few different ways. The whole point is that you're trying to change as little as possible. So I'm going to say if it is an equilateral triangle, then it is a triangle with three congruent sides. Now I got to try the converse here. So if it is a triangle with three congruent sides, then it is an equilateral triangle. So if I look at the first one is saying that if it's an equilateral triangle, then there are going to be three congruent sides. I would say that that is true. If it is a triangle with three congruent sides, then it's an equilateral triangle. That is also true. So that means that I need to go ahead and write my biconditional. So what I'm going to write is, it is an equilateral triangle and then I'm going to have to throw if and only if in there. It is a triangle with three congruent sides. And that's our biconditional statement.